How to enable Incognito Mode in Google Maps. Here's how to enable Incognito Mode on your iPhone. First, open the Google Maps app on your iPhone. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Next, tap Turn on Incognito Mode. A message will appear explaining how Incognito Mode works. Tap Close or Got it to continue. You'll now see the Incognito icon at the top of the screen, confirming that Incognito Mode is enabled. While Incognito Mode is on, Google Maps won't save your searches or navigation history to your Google account, and your activity won't be used to personalize your Maps experience. When you're ready to turn it off, tap the Incognito icon in the top right corner. Then select Turn off Incognito Mode. And that's it! You've successfully enabled Incognito Mode in Google Maps on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, app tutorials, and how-to videos.